Okay, students. Now, exercise 11.4. First one, second one. Evaluate sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay. Now, what is given? Given that sin theta plus cos theta whole square plus here sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Okay. Now see this a plus b whole square. You know a plus b whole square formula a square plus b square plus 2ab. So like this sin theta plus cos theta whole square means a plus b whole square. So sin square theta plus cos square theta plus that means a square plus b square plus 2ab. 2 into a means sin theta, b means cos theta. So a square plus b square plus 2ab plus here sin theta minus cos theta whole square. Here also a minus b whole square. So minus a minus b whole square formula. Here using a minus b whole square formula. A square minus a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. So sin square theta plus cos square theta minus 2ab. Here a means sin theta, b means cos theta. Okay. Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab, like a minus b whole square equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. Okay. Now see here sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1, identity 1. According to identity 1, sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1 plus here 2 sin theta cos theta plus here also sin square theta plus cos square theta value 1. So write here 1 minus 2 sin theta cos theta. Okay. Now plus 2 sin theta cos theta minus 2 sin theta cos theta get cancelled. What is remaining here? 1 plus 1 that equal to 2. Okay. Now third, evaluate secant square theta minus 1 cosecant square theta minus 1 value. Okay. What is given? Given that secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1. Okay. You know, according to identity, secant square theta minus 1 means tan square theta. Here, cosecant square theta minus 1 means cot square theta. Because, you know, secant square theta minus tan square theta equal to 1 according to identity 2. Okay. Now here secant tan square theta means tan square theta equal to plus 1 comes this side. So secant square theta minus 1 like cosecant square theta minus cot square theta equal to 1 according to identity 3. Now you know cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta plus 1 will be minus 1. Okay. So using these two identities right here secant square theta minus 1 value tan square theta, cosecant square theta minus 1 value right cot square theta. Okay. Now tan square theta into cos square theta is the reciprocal of tan square theta. So 1 by tan square theta. Cos square theta can be written as 1 by tan square theta. Otherwise, write tan square theta also write 1 by cot square theta. Okay, no problem. Here tan square theta can cancel. You get 1. So what is the value of secant square theta minus 1 into cosecant square theta minus 1 value equal to 1. Okay. Okay, now second Roman, show that cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square equal to 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. Here LHS cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. RHS 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. Okay. See here, take LHS. Take LHS equal to cosecant theta minus cot theta whole square. Okay. Now, cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta because cosecant theta is the reciprocal of sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta. Okay, whole square. Cosecant theta can be written as 1 by sin theta minus cot theta can be written as cos theta by sin theta whole square. Now, see here, sin theta is the denominator both. So these are like fractions. So sin theta is the LCM. Here 1 minus cos theta. 1 minus cos theta whole square. Okay, this is also written as 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. Because here whole square means both have square. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. A power m by b power m. A by b whole power m. Okay, like this. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square. 1 minus cos theta whole square by sin square theta. How can write? Identity one. Sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Then sin square theta equal to 1 minus cos square theta. So here sin square theta place you can write 1 minus cos square theta. 1 minus cos square theta. Now 1 minus cos theta whole square. This is can be written as 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. 2 into 2, 2 square. Like 1 minus cos theta whole square means 1 minus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. By here 1 square minus cos square theta. That means a square minus b square. So a plus b into a minus b. So 1 plus cos theta into 1 minus cos theta. Because this is a square. 1 square means 1. So a square minus b square. A square minus b square equal to a plus b into a minus b. So like this, a plus b. A means 1, b means cos. So 1 plus cos theta to 1 minus cos theta. Here 1 minus cos theta, 1 minus cos theta get cancelled. Finally get 1 minus cos theta by 1 plus cos theta. That equal to RHS. Okay, hence proved. Okay students, now third problem. So that square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a equal to secant a plus tan a. Okay, what is given LHS? Given LHS equal to square root of 1 plus sin a by 1 minus sin a. Okay, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A, that is LHS. What is show? That equal to secant A plus tan A. Okay, here see what is the denominator? 1 minus sin A. So rationalize the denominator. Rationalize the denominator. Denominator is rational factor of rational factor of 1 minus sin A is 1 plus sin A. Okay, 1 plus sin A using this is rationalization. Okay, now that equal to square root of 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, 1 plus sin A by 1 minus sin A. This is rationalized by 1 plus sin A by 1 plus sin A. Okay, now see what is the denominator here? 1 minus sin A. Here 1 plus sin A. So 1 minus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A by 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. Okay. Now 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. A into A square, right? 1 plus sin A into 1 plus sin A. 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 plus sin A into 1 minus sin A. That means A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. So 1 square means 1 minus sin square A. Understand? See here. A plus B into A plus B equal to A plus B whole square here. Here A plus B into A minus B equal to A square minus B square. Okay. Now 1 plus sin square, here root also there. Square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A. Now square root of 1 plus sin A whole square by 1 minus sin square A means you write cos square A according to identity 1, because sin square A plus cos square A equal to 1. So 1 minus sin square A equal to cos square A. Okay, now both have squares. Write is A bar M by B bar M means A by B whole bar M. So 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Okay, square root of 1 plus sin A by cos A whole square. Here square root and square get cancelled. That equal to square root of that equal to 1 plus sin A by cos A. Okay, that equal to 1 by cos A plus sin A by cos A. 1 by cos A means what is here? Secant A. 1 by cos means secant A, secant reciprocal plus sin A by cos tan A. So that equal to RHS. Hence prove. Okay, 1 by cos A means secant A, sin A by cos A means tan A. So what is RHS? Secant A plus tan A. Okay. Okay, now fourth one. So that 1 minus tan square A by cos square A minus 1 equal to tan square A. Okay, what is LHS? Given LHS equal to 1 minus tan square a by cos square a minus 1. Okay. Now 1 means 1 by 1 you can write 1 by 1. Okay, no problem. Minus tan square a means sin square a by cos square a, because tan theta means sin theta by cos theta, so tan square a means sin square a by cos theta. Okay, that means tan a equal to sin a by cos a by cos square a, that means cos square a by sin square a minus 1. 1 means 1 by 1. Here also cot a equal to cos a by sin a. Okay. Now the cos square is the LCM. 1 is cos square a. So cos square a by how many times? Cos square a times. Cos square into 1 cos square a minus here 1 time 1 into sin square a sin square a by here sin square is the denominator, so that is the LCM. Sin square into sin square 1 time 1 cos square a minus here sin square a times, so 1 into sin square a. Okay. Now cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a, cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a into, now reciprocal, this is divisible, so can be reduced written as reciprocal sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. This is the reciprocal. Okay, reverse the fraction. Cos square a minus sin square a by cos square a into sin square a by cos square a minus sin square a. Here cos square a minus sin square a get cancelled both. Now what is there? Sin square a. Sin square a by cos square a. That means tan square a, that is equal to RHS. Okay, hence proved. Now fifth one, so that 1 by cos theta minus cos theta equal to tan theta into sin theta. Okay, what is given? Given LHS equal to 1 by cos theta minus cos theta. Okay, here there is no denominator, means 1. Cos theta into 1 cos theta. Cos theta into LCM. Cos theta 1 time 1 into 1 1 minus here cos theta times cos theta into cos theta cos square theta. Okay, you know 1 minus cos square theta means sin square theta, because sin square theta by cos theta, because you know identity 1 sin square theta plus cos square theta equal to 1. Here 1 minus cos square theta equal to sin square theta. Okay, now sin square theta means sin theta into sin theta by cos theta. Sin theta into sin theta, sin square theta by cos theta. It can be written as sin theta by cos theta, sin theta by cos theta into here what is right? Sin theta, because sin theta by cos theta into sin theta or sin theta by 1. Okay, no problem. Sin theta by cos theta means tan theta into sin theta, that is equal to RHS. Hence proved. Now, exercise 11.4, sixth one. Simplify secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A value. Okay. What is given? Secant A into 1 minus sin A into secant A plus tan A. Okay. This is given. Now secant A multiplied with 1 minus sin A. That means secant A into 1, secant A minus secant A into sin A. Secant A into sin A. Okay. Now here secant A plus tan A. See here secant A minus secant A can be written as 1 by cos A because this is the reciprocal of secant A. So secant A can be written as 1 by cos A into sin A into secant A plus tan A. Okay, now secant A minus 1 into sin A by cos A, that equal to secant A plus tan A. Now secant A minus sin A by cos A, tan A. Okay, into secant A plus tan A. You know, A minus B into A plus B. A square minus B square. So secant square A minus tan square A. That equal to 1. According to identity 2. Secant square theta minus tan square value 1.